Welcome to Phi Academy. Today we are going to factorize into single brackets. Let us start by factorizing 2x plus 6. We can start by looking at the common factors between the first term, which is 2x, and the second term, which is 6. In other words, in what multiple is both 2 and 6 present? 2 and 6 are multiples of 2. So 2 is the highest number that goes in both 2 and 6. So I can take that out, and then let us check whether there are any letters that are common in both the terms. There are no letters that are common, so then we can add the bracket. Now what times 2 will give me 2x? I just need to multiply it by x. And then what times by 2 will give me 6? It is 3. And because it is plus 6, it's going to be plus 3 times 2, which is going to give me plus 6. So final answer is 2 bracket x at 3. Let us move on to the second question. Factorize 5b minus 20. So looking at the first term and the second term, the number that is common in both 5 and 20 is going to be 5. And then, are there any letters that is common in both the terms? There aren't any, so we can just write out our bracket. So what times 5 will give me 5b? It is b. And then what times by 5 will give me 20? It is going to be 4. But what times plus 5 will give me a minus 20? It's going to be a minus 4. And then let's close the bracket. Moving on, let's look at this question. So here there are letters that are common in both the first term 2ab as well as ac. We will start by first factorizing out the number. Are there any numbers that are common between the first term and the second? There aren't any, so we don't need to take out any numbers out of the bracket. But there is a letter. A is common in both the first term as well as the second term. So we will write A outside, but there are no other letters or numbers that are common. So we can start by writing out our bracket. So A times what will give me 2AB? It is going to be 2B. And A times what will give me AC? It is going to be A times C. And again, because it's positive, times a positive, it's going to be a positive sign here, then close the bracket. So we can just check whether we've done it right by expanding this bracket out again. This is just to check whether our answer is correct. So A times 2B gives 2AB. A times plus C is plus AC, which is our question. So therefore we have factorized it correctly. So another example, factorize 8y squared minus 10y. Here also we start with the number 8 and 10. So 8 and 10 are both multiples of 2, so we take the 2 out. Now looking at y square and y. 1y is common in both these terms, so I'm going to just take that out and then going to start with the bracket. 2y times what will give me 8y squared. So first with the numbers, 2 times what will give me 8? It is going to be 4. Y times what will give me y squared? Another y. And then moving on, 2 times what will give me 10? It's going to be 5. And then y is already here, so we don't need another y there. But plus 2 has to be multiplied with a minus 5 to give me a minus 10y. And that is my final answer. 2y bracket 4y minus 5. And you can check whether your answer is right by expanding your bracket out again. Have a go at these practice questions. Come back to check your answer. Hope you got your answers correct. I'll meet you in the next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.